Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute?
Uh-huh. Sure, you look kind of familiar.
Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named... You know his name.
Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name.
But I just...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do short faux locks on medium length hair. So as you guys can see, my hair is already braiding. If you guys want to see how I achieved this, please check out my how to braid a natural hair. I'll have it linked down in the description box. So I'm just going to get my hair up and out of the way. We're going to need a crochet needle and of course the braiding hair. So because my hair is longer than the length that I want my faux lock to be, I'm just going to take my crochet needle and I'm going to crochet my braid into itself. So I'm going to place it in between. I'm going to place the end of my braid into the hook and I'm going to close the hook and pull through. Now you guys can see that my hair is a third of the length that it normally is. Now we're going to take the braiding hair and I'm going to put the crochet back into the base of my hair. I'm going to twist the braiding hair and I'm going to attach it to the hook and pull through. Once the hair is through, I'm going to hold my hair to the one end of the braiding hair. I'm going to ensure that it's the longer end and I'm just going to wrap all the way down. I'm going to make sure that the base is as firm as possible and I'm just going to loosely wrap all the way down. So once I'm at the end of the braid wrapping and I'm at the length, my desired length, I'm just going to take the end of the remaining end of the braiding hair and I'm just going to wrap all the way up.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist.
And there we have it, our first lock. Now I'm just going to repeat those same steps on the rest of my hair. I'm going to loop my hair into itself. Next, I'm going to fluff out the braiding hair. And I'm going to loop the braiding hair into my hair. I'm going to pull and ensure that my hair is attached to the side that is longer. Now I'm going to wrap the other end all the way around.
All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
Once I get to the end and at my desired length, I'm just going to wrap the remaining all the way up. Now I'm gonna repeat those same steps on the other braids.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I wish you away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you
Okay guys, here's a closer look. I'm going to loop my hair into itself. Next, I'm going to fluff out my braiding hair.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
And loop the braiding hair into my braid.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah,
Now I'm going to pull the hair and ensure that my hair is attached to the longer side. And I'm going to stop wrapping all the way around and down.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself.
Once I have wrapped down to my desired length, I'm just going to start wrapping the remaining braiding hair all the way up. And here is the finished product.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute?
Sure, you look kind of familiar.
Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named, you know his name?
Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name.
But I just want to let you know that he's mine.
No, he's mine.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!